Imagine this. A peaceful meeting suddenly interrupted by an explosive sneeze that reverberates like a thunderclap. The whole room shakes as papers flutter dramatically into the air. Quick cut to everyone's shocked, slow-motion facial expressions as if they were in an action-packed movie. The sneezer, wide-eyed and bewildered, unleashes a comically oversized tissue to salvage the situation. Their clumsy effort to gather the scattered papers creates a slapstick dance of unexpected blunders. The chaos reaches its peak when their attempt to sit down turns into an epic chair topple, freeze framing their descent while audible gasps echo around the room. A bold subtitle asks, "What was your favorite moment of mayhem?"